In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Roblox VIP server not working. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from joining your VIP server. Try restarting your router or switching your mobile data. The other thing you want to do is verify your Roblox server status. Go to status.roblox.com and simply go ahead and check the official page. Make sure that you are also the owner of the VIP server. Only the owner can join and manage the VIP server, by the way. Also ensure that the game supports VIP server. Some games may have limited or disabled VIP servers. Simply check the game description or group chats for details. Also check if you have an active VIP server. Go to the game page and check your VIP server and make sure that your VIP server is active and not expired. Don't join from play button and join from your VIP servers tab on the game page. If that doesn't work, try rejoining or restarting the game, update your Roblox app, and that is it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.